I've been here at Brute Mill for well over 41 years. I've seen a lot of ideas come and go. MIQ and having the device in your hand has been one of the greatest changes.
It's really been a game changer when it comes to communication across the whole entire meal.
If I had to go back to the old way of completing my daily tasks, it would add an additional 4 miles of walking time.
MIQ stands for Manufacturing Intelligence Quotient. Bruton specific had 60 applications: SharePoint, File Server, Excel, Word, Teams, ACMMS. We needed a way to bring every bit of that data to the employee to where they could really just focus on doing their job and doing it well and doing it very safe day in, day out.
MIQ is more based around the aspect that anyone has the knowledge to anything that they need.
It makes everyday life working in the mill so much easier, a more streamlined process in comparison to the old way.
It quickly connects our SOPs, our troubleshooting guides, our startup and shutdown. It brings it to the operators and it meets them in the field where they need it most.
It's as simple as typing in that piece of equipment's number, and now I have access to everything about that equipment. I can also take pictures of maybe a component I don't understand using AI technologies. It can tell me what it is.
You can actually communicate with individuals in the field as if you're sitting there side by side.
The system is very easy to learn. It's just like having a cell phone in your hand. Nobody's ever had cell phone lessons, and I don't think nobody would ever need an MIQ lesson.
In the beginning, MIQ was visioned as a bottom-up solution where the feedback of the individuals in the field meant the most.
It makes you feel heard as an individual. You actually feel like you matter whenever you bring something forward to MIQ.
As soon as we did have a successful and shareable solution, we wanted to get it out to others. We first connected with ARC.
Bruton reached out to us in the end of 2024. We went over to Bruton and had a knowledge share. We kind of brainstormed when we came back as a leadership team at ARC and said, okay, will this create value for us? What would we need to put in place to make it happen? It was like a light bulb went off when the machine operators and mechanics knew that what they were going to say was valued and would be taken as input and actually used in a program.
If I'm out of the problem and I really can't tell what's going on, instead of having to go hunt management or hunt somebody with more experience, I can actually get on here and Teams call them and show them on my tablet what I'm seeing, and they're talking to me directly. It can give me the information I need and go ahead and fix the problem.
Once you get used to having everything right in the palm of your hand, it'd be hard to go back to the old way.
It's just nice having it right here at my fingertips. You know, information is power.
Everyone thought it would be neat to go to ARC Next and kind of use it as a proof of concept that this could be rolled out to more than just one location and be used across all of GP.
From there, we went to Big Island, we went to Brunswick, Leaf River, and Monticello. We then went to Toledo.
I think we've only scratched the surface of the potential that MIQ has. As more people get the technology in their hand across GP, I think you're going to see things we've never thought of.
It's made us a stronger team, and our culture is shifting to definitely less silos and more teamwork.
It's based on quality of life, being more proficient, feeling better about what you do, being more contribution motivated by what you're able to accomplish every day. It's important stuff.